You're in the middle of a routine day when your phone buzzes. It's a text from your bank. Your account has been locked. Click here to verify. Your stomach drops. Before you've even had a second to think, your thumb is already moving toward that link. That unthinking physical reflex, the instinct to tap before you analyze, is the foundation of a massive criminal enterprise. In this moment, scammers aren't trying to breach your phone's encryption. They are exploiting the reflexive, deeply ingrained trust you have in the device in your pocket. There is a massive trust asymmetry between our email and our texts. Most of us have spent years learning to be suspicious of weird emails, but we haven't developed that same instinct for text messages. We click scam links in texts, called smishing, at 10 times the rate of emails. This blind spot recently cost consumers $500 million, a 5-fold increase. Fake bank alerts top the list, using fear to make you act without thinking. This $500 million loss happens because we treat our text inbox as a personal, trusted space, even though it hasn't earned that level of security. Scammers choose banking alerts because they carry a unique psychological weight. The idea of your account being frozen creates an immediate, visceral threat to your financial security. Their playbook relies on linguistic triggers. They use phrases like verify immediately or unusual login detected to inject a sense of panic that demands a one-tap solution. To bypass your skepticism, they often use data from previous breaches, like including the last few digits of your actual card number to make the fake alert look official. The goal is to force you out of a rational state of mind and into a rushed, anxious one. The urgency itself is the weapon, specifically designed to override your common sense. There is one rule that immediately exposes this entire tactic. Real banks almost never ask you to click a link in an urgent text message to fix a security problem. Banks are fully aware of how smishing works. They deliberately design their communication protocols to avoid looking like a scam. Instead of using text links, banks route real emergencies directly through their own authenticated apps or official websites. This flowchart shows how they bypass the vulnerable SMS pathway entirely to keep the interaction secure. An urgent link in a text message is definitive proof that the message is hostile. Don't waste time looking for typos or checking if the sender's number looks official. Scammers are becoming too sophisticated for those details to be reliable indicators. The only safe move is a non-negotiable one. Do not click the link. When you feel that jolt of panic, your immediate physical protocol should be to swipe the text away and close the app. From there, you have 2 safe options. Open your banking app directly from your home screen, or call the official number printed on the back of your physical card. Never call a number provided in the text itself. If the threat to your account is legitimate, that same warning will be waiting for you the moment you log into your bank's secure portal. Verifying through these official channels takes less time than the panic does, and it's the most effective way to ensure your money stays out of that $500 million statistic.